Direct plug SSD enclosure with fan, alloy case, side air vents, high-speed fan inside, fan on/off button on the bottom. Open the top connector plug. There is a Type-C host port, can be connected to an extension cable. You can also remove the silicone cover and use it directly. Remove the screws and slide the top cover. There is a piece of thermal grease inside. Depending on the thickness of the hard disk, you can decide whether to put it on or not. Close the cover. Connect it to the computer. The new SSD need be formatted. Let's measure the read-write speed. Connect iPhone 16 Pro and Record Pros 4K 120Hz video. Connect to Xiaomi phone. Connect to Huawei cell phone. Connect to a tablet.